Let's record this real quickly. Motherfucker. So I'm not, sorry if the quality isn't that well. I couldn't find my actual NYX one, so I have my Anastasia ones here. These are like 20 something bucks. I bought them when they were on sale at Ulta for 10 each. So I got two for the price of one. They suck though because they're almost all out. I have no more product in them, but I'm showing you how to do this brow. So what I like to do is, I like to brush the hairs up first, like this. And that way, like, you can find, like, your shape of your brow, and it's easier. And then you get, oh my god. So then you go and you kind of just, like, draw a line in the bottom, like this, and then curve it down like that. Let me see, hold on. Oh, I do have it. Yes, maybe this will help. I'm gonna plug this in. Put this in here. There we go. And that's so much better. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it a little closer. So I see how I drew the line like here, like that, and you kind of just like want to go and just curve it and then shoot it down so you have like a line. It's okay if you mess up. Oh, we're gonna fix with the next one. So, but you don't want to draw it like all the way to the front of your brow because you want to like have like a natural brow. So you do this, and then you get your spoolie again, and you just brush your hair down this way. So then this way you see like the way the brow goes down like that. So I like to get it, and then I like to start at the tail first because it's easier to make it a little more cleaner. So I start where your arch will start, or wherever your brow will start to go down, and just draw a line and connect the last two like that. Do you see that? Like that. It looks a little weird, but it's fine. And then do like hair strokes down, like that. Like that, just the top of the brow only, like that, okay? And then you brush upwards, like that, and then look how full your brow looks. And then you just fill in the rest of the brow with product. And you just go up in hair strokes to the bottom, down. I always mess up, and if I always do my brows first, I messed up like the whole tail. We get the whole brush. Let me redraw real quick so you kind of see the finished brow looks. So you just go down again. I suck. There we go. And then just fill in the rest of the brow. Don't go to the front though. So let's continue to fill in the rest of the brow. And then the spoolie part, you just want to spoolie it to the front. And you just like that. Okay? Your brow can look a little wonky, but it's fine. I'm going to be taking my Morphe 432 brush. It's this one. It's dirty. And then I take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Medium Sand, and I kind of just like dip it like this. You don't need a lot because you're just carving out the brow. And then you just go, and then you just take it from here and just go like this. Carve out the bottom. And then you want to just go and just cut this line. Make it a little sharper. That's my secret to like perfect brows, is like concealer. But I'm working with pomade again. Pomade's cool. Oh, maybe I should show you how to do a pomade brow. So you just go in with the brush. This is my Morphe. Doesn't have a brush name, I guess. But okay, so it's just a flesher brush. And I go and I just blend out the concealer. And you have like a natural brow. Da, da, da. Oh my goodness. Where are all my brushes? Well, where are this thing's all dirty. Oh well. So then, this is my dirty ass bully brush. This is like some like 99-cent store brush. But for pomade, I like to get this one like an E-wood brush. It's because it's easier to work with. And this is the NYX Tame and Frame. Yeah. And it's the same thing with this, but pomade's like a little more harder to draw. Ooh, eyebrow. Oh, I think this brow's gonna be pretty. Let's finish it. So then with pomade, I like to go all the way to the front, like this. This is very like, see? Cute. And then down again. With this one, we're gonna keep the tail a little shorter. Like that. Like that, there we go. And just go like that. And then down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Brush it up. You got a brow. You got a fucking brow. You go up, up. Spoolie. Spoolie, 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 spoolie. This brow, you don't even have to touch up. This brow's so pretty. Wow. So yeah, this is a pencil brow. This is a pomade brow. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'll make sure to make a tutorial for you. Yeah.